Hi everyone, what a beautiful morning, and what a great holiday in the spirit of Christmas. Hi, I'm Tanya Page, and this is my journey to returning to college and being part of the MDS program. Here I'm going to talk about where I began, what led me to the MDS program, why I chose the MDS program, what I've learned since returning to school, what I've learned from this class, and where I see myself in the future. A little bit about me. Like many others, I attended college, Boise State, right out of high school, where I pursued a degree in elementary education. My goal at the time was to be a homemaker, a mom, and I wanted a degree that I could fall back on if I ever had to return to the workforce. I also got married right out of high school. And for 4 years, I worked full-time as a preschool teacher, and I went to Boise State full-time. And then I became pregnant with our first child. I was almost done with completing a bachelor's degree, but I became very sick and decided to take a break. And we welcomed a little baby girl, and my journey of being a homemaker began. And now 11 years later, and 3 girls later, I am ready for a new chapter in my life. And with my youngest being in kindergarten, I want to go out in my community. I want to help my community, and I have decided to finish my degree. Finding the MDS program. I was really close to completing a bachelor's degree in the elementary education with a pre-endorsement in health. I am passionate about health, really all aspects of health. So I called Boise State to find out what my options were. They transferred me to Dr. Spear, who is in the public health department. She looked at my transcripts, but then decided to transfer me to the MDS program. The MDS program allowed me to use all my previous credits, but it allowed me to study further into health, and it let me tailor my remaining credits towards what I'm passionate about. It allows me to take classes on campus, which I really do prefer, but it also allows me to take classes online, so I can be a mom and be here for my children when they need me. Public health is where I belong. So before I returned to school, I knew I wanted to focus on health. I thought maybe a nutritionist sounded great. But after looking at Boise State, there is not a lot of classes offered directed towards nutrition. So I decided to sign up for some public health classes, and I had no idea what I was about to encounter. A few weeks into it, I fell in love with public health. And Boise State has 3 emphases in public health. It has a general, a health education and promotion, and an environmental. What is public health? It's population health, community health. It's focusing on thinking upstream. What is upstream? It's the example we use in public health, where people would fall into a stream, and at the end, people are pulling them out and saving them and trying to help. But then public health says, but wait, let's go upstream and find out why are all these people falling in, and let's stop it there, and let's prevent people from falling in the stream. So public health is preventiveness. It's trying to help keep our community healthier and safer. It's making the easy choice the healthy choice. Examples: our Boise State campus is a smoke-free zone. Restaurants are now smoke-free. This is to help protect people from secondhand smoke and to prevent diseases that come from it. Our Boise Greenbelt and parks around in the community. This is to help promote physical activity and promote better health. Health education and promotion. This is the emphasis that really caught my attention. It's promoting health, preventing diseases, disability, and premature death through education. It's helping people, helping communities make healthier choices that will benefit a community as a whole. It's looking at situations that will help communities live healthier lives. The example of this is the Boise Greenbelt. The Boise Greenbelt is a well-connected path that helps promote physical activity, but it also helps connect the community so they can be close to shopping and medical help and parks. And in public health education, this is where we want to help make all communities, all towns have this well-connected path for better health. What I've learned about me: I'm an empathetic idealist. I desire to help others. I'm always thinking how the world could be more better and a more beautiful place. My husband would say, I tend to live life in a fairy tale where it's rainbows and sunshine. I understand others, and I'm aware of other people's emotions. I enjoy service and serving others, and health education and promotion fits into this category. What I'm taking from this course: one thing that has really stuck out to me is learning how to navigate through the Boise State Library. This is my first semester back after 11 years. A lot has changed. A lot of professors were asking, to have peer reviews and scholarly sources. I haven't even heard of this. In my time, we just used Google. And so this came very beneficial for me to be able to write papers and to research topics and be able to prepare my education for what the professors were asking. And APA citations were very important for me to learn. All professors were asking APA citations. And not only did I learn how to do them, I learned that the Boise State Library has them very accessible for me already. Effective problem solving, learning how to get through difficult situations effectively. Where I see myself in the future? Well, I know contributing to society is very important to me, and public health, health education, and promotion allows me to follow my passion towards health and to use it to help others, to help communities be healthier. The MDS program allows me to focus on this goal. I will get to receive a bachelor's degree with an emphasis in public health. And my goal, in the end, is to work in my community, be a part of a public health agency, and make a difference. I am grateful for the MDS program. I understand who I am. I get to focus on my passion. I get to take classes that work for me and my schedule. I have learned useful material to help prepare me for further classes and for a profession. Thank you.